ekuseni. Bekungeke ekuseni kakhulu bese kuyike eminyana nje. Wafika wamcela ke wathi ufuna ukuthengela izingane impahla eScottburg. Impahla zengane. Wase yamthatha ke wahamba naye nengane yakhe. Ayike kusho ukuthi ke bahamba ke bafike bathengelana lezo mpahla bahamba futhi baye eBhishi angazi kwenziwane eBhishi babuye sebecedile eBhishi babuya ke theme sebesifika lemgaqweni phezulu ayike kusho ukuthi ke baphuma laba bawu2 ingane nalentombazane lo munye baphuma bawu2 kwathi sethi uyaphuma lo waselokhu igabha zangavuleka zavaleka kanjalo igabha obonile ke lapha yayistobhini ubone sengathi beyibishaya ngaphakathi izigabha zivalekile zingavuleki kusho ukuthi uthe suka lapho ke sebona ukuthi uyabonwa yilo munye obekade ezambela njengemoto wasejikisa imoto yakhe ke wasebaleka nemoto yakhe seyalapho ke ngakubo ke lapha eMalangeni esigamekweni lapho ekuthiwa ke eBhiniva wafika wambulalela khona.
Hello, hi, welcome to Umgosi Wasemzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. The more you try to hlanganisa the stories as Sibusiso and his ex-girlfriend, like you just be more confused because lo mndeni lona ukutshela lokhu nalo mndeni lona ukutshela lokhu. And we just ask ourselves, so what went wrong? Sana, we know what Sibusiso told us, but Siven just story sakhe, Siven side like a story, and we didn't hear the lady's side of the story because we know there are two sides to every story. Guys, kwazi ngoba buhlungu eSouth Africa, it seems like isaseyinze indlela lekumele sihambe nge-GBV. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.